later.
I'm tasty.
He's totally eating your hair.
Why is he eating my hair?
I don't know, but apparently you're tasty.
Here, you want some?
No thanks. Radar's eating enough for two.
My hair's gonna be all slobbery. Ow.
Oh, yeah. He bites.
We're taking Silk soy milk and Silk pure almond to your cereal bowl. Most people prefer the taste of Silk vanilla in their cereal over dairy milk and love that it has 50% more calcium than milk.
I think it's great.
Taste for yourself. Switch Silk for milk in your cereal.
If you think any battery will do, consider this. Today, training depends on technology. And when it takes a battery, there are athletes...
You kind of stink, don't you?
His breath does.
Duracell, trusted everywhere.
He's
Ugh.
like, no.
He's like, I'm out of here now.